Okay, we're going to do a little bit of a quick review on what we covered in last week's lesson. So in week 3, we talked about 2 specific things, and some of those 2 things were your homework assignments for week 3. Those things were to actually cover logging into the Google Chrome browser and also creating bookmarks in your browser so it's easy for you to save and bookmark all of the websites and resources that you're going to receive this school year. So as a quick review, at the top of my website, at the top of my browser, I actually have 2 folders already created, bookmarked, and ready to go. Web and Online Marketing, Advanced Online Marketing. So if I click on any one of those folders, I can actually include any website in those folders that I'd like. The first website you should have included should be typing.com, and the next website you should have included would be codepin.io. If for some reason under the address bar you're not seeing these folders show up at all, remember that we click on the 3 dots, we go down to bookmarks, and then we go to show bookmarks bar. That'll reveal all of the folders that you have ready to go to bookmark the sites that we're going to utilize this year. Easy. The next thing we talked about is actually logging into the Google Chrome browser as opposed to just going into Google from your website. So normally you may go to google.com, it'll take you to this place. You click here, and then you can actually sign in or manage or jump back and forth between multiple accounts. We can see here I can add another account. But we don't need to at this time. And that's not really the goal. The goal is not really to log into Google on the web. The goal really is to log into your Google Chrome browser in order for your bookmarks to be saved. In order to do that, we go to the top right corner, we click on the icon, and we can see this is the place where we actually need to log into the browser. That way all of our bookmarks, our usernames and passwords, and everything is brought over, no matter what computer we're using Google Chrome on. So I have the ability to even add another profile here for those of you that may actually be sharing a computer at home and you need to pass it around between family member and family member. You want to make sure that everyone's logging into Google Chrome and then also signing out. So for example, we could actually click on add, and I would have the ability to actually add another profile in the Google Chrome browser to jump between. I could also browse as a guest if I just needed to do a real simple and quick project, or if I needed to look something up. Here I could add a person. So by clicking on our avatar or our profile image, you can see that I do have the ability to turn syncing on. So if the browser asks you to sync, you want to say yes, making sure that your bookmarks, usernames, and passwords are all syncing from the cloud to whatever laptop or computer device you're using. That way all of your stuff will automatically appear, it'll automatically be there, and you can pick up where you left off. That part should have been easy. So now that I'm signed into the browser, when it relates to the web portion, I can click here, switch profiles, and then once profiles are switched, even though I'm still logged into the browser, I still have the ability to access other accounts without logging out of the browser itself. In this case, I do want to jump to Google Drive. And in Google Drive, your task was to create a folder for the classroom. And that folder was Web and Online Marketing. And in that folder, you needed to create a folder with your name on it, a folder that is going to relate to projects you're going to be sharing with your teachers and with the team. And then lastly, a folder that's called 3-page website. We probably won't be creating a 3-page website. However, you are going to learn the basics of creating a really simple web page. And inside our web page folder, we double click. Your task was to create an images folder and another folder called originals. And in case we forgot, bookmarks, show the bookmarks bar. And in case you couldn't remember how to create a brand new folder inside the bookmarks bar, you simply right click, go to add folder in the drop down menu. Done and done. The two ways to bookmark are to either click on the star that's in the address bar on the far right, or simply click on the icon that's to the far left of the web address that you're visiting. You can drag the website directly into the folder. Therefore, you can organize where it goes. Or by clicking on the star, makes it a single click in order to bookmark the website that you want to revisit later. Alright everyone, that's it for the review of week 3. Catch you later.